Wait for your due season. Wait for your due season. Wait for your due season. I know the devil is tempting you. I know you feel like giving up. I know you feel like walking away. I know you're crying right about now. I know the road is rough. And I know the going get tough. I know the hills are hard to climb. I know the devil is fighting you. I know you're going under attack. I know he's touching your family. He's touching your finances. He's touching your home. He's touching your health. But wait it out and wait for your due season. Don't faint and don't give up. The Lord said, if you faint not, you shall reap. Wait for your reaping season. You have toiled, you have prayed, you have trusted him, you have prayed, you have sing, you have given, and you have worked, you have been faithful. God said your season to reap is just around the corner. Somebody say, I will reap what I've sown. I've waited, and now it's time to reap. Can somebody receive your miracle?